Yeah, it's still more than 10 lah. Cannot lah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, yeah, even the hourly is quite messy. If you look to your left on
But
the hourly,
but it is on a buy lah, to be
yeah,
honest.
it is on a bias.
It is on a buy.
Bias. Can we get a quick bias based on the daily? Sorry, start with the weekly, bro. Just look at what the weekly is doing first.
Okay. But the day itself so far.
Sorry, bro.
Weekly.
Yeah, weekly. Okay. What do you understand from the weekly candle? Remember, it's the first weekly candle. It's
Yeah.
fresh.
It's for me the bias is sell for the weekly because
Yep.
it already broke below the support here.
Yep.
Yeah. So even the candle is bullish. It broke below the support, so it's rightfully so. I mean, it makes sense for it to be how to say the bias to be sells lah.
Right. So remember, in order for the a bearish candle to go down, we need to go up first, and that is
Yeah.
exactly what is happening. We're
Yeah.
printing
Correct.
the top wick first, which is basically a lower low, lower high, and
Yeah.
then eventually we'll go back to the downside.
Understood.
Right. Start the daily now. Go to your daily.
Same thing that's happening with the daily.
Right. Over 4.
Our 4 is our 4 is actually still consolidating lah, I would say.
Yep.
Yeah. If it breaks above here, I would say it's a buy. Breaks below here is a sell, which is why I'm going leaning towards the buy. It's closer to break towards a buy than a sell.
For this specific session or overall?
For this one, our 4.
Okay.
Not for
Yep.
for overall also it's a buy because the 30 also easier to break.
I wouldn't say it's a buy. The reason is because we are still respecting this area.
Yeah.
Right? If we break this support, we're just gonna melt back to the downside.
It's still a no trading zone lah, to be honest.
Correct. So unless we break the resistance, then you could say we potentially might go back up. But other than
See,
that, yeah.
actually just now before this call at 12:45, it was more looking more towards a buy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean now no more lah.
Yep.
You see, this is 1064. If this was over here, right? If it break below here, I can take a D because it's broke the no trading
Correct.
zone.
100%. But now the top wick is way too big, so it's
Yeah,
invalid.
I cannot take that already. Unless if I go with a 0.5. But
Or
even
better yet,
0.5 is
we'll
quite
wait
fun.
for a candle to close below, and then we got better confirmation as well.
You want
Yeah,
to go for a sell, is
yeah,
it?
because Monday we're trying to take it slow, and then let it show proper structure first. Because if
Yeah.
you look to your left, the moment you break above this resistance, there's no clean push
Correct.
to the upside. It's very
Yeah,
messy,
that's what I saw also.
right?
Even if it broke to the type A type here, right?
It's very messy,
It only go until here only.
right?
So
And
maybe
if you
we
break that,
don't
you need
go.
to break this, and then you need to break this,
Yeah.
and then this.
Yeah.
Too
Yes,
messy.
correct.
So the only
Yeah, maybe
clean range that we have is below this, the support. That's the only clean one.
yeah, maybe it might not even enter today lah.
Yeah, it depends. I mean, Asian, there was no trade. It was just no trade day for Asian. We're just waiting. That's it.
9 o'clock only there was a trade.
Yeah, 9 o'clock,
9
that was a good one. Yes.
9:30, I think.
Somewhere over here, there's two areas. There were entries. But this here currently, yeah, I'm not really happy with the way that the price is printing, and also the structure as well. Too messy. Can we look at your 15, bro? I would say plan A is still sells, plan B is buys.
Well, I would agree with you also now.
Let's go to your 15, bro. Go best. Right. So you see, rejection.
After it breaks here, then I can take it.
Yeah, that's a super clean way. I think your 15 looks way cleaner compared to the 30.
Yeah.
Let's stick with this.
Just now before the call, the 13 was okay, to be honest.
Yep.
I don't know if you wanted to break this because this is a maybe you go over here.
That's good enough. So yeah.
Yeah. But the thing is over here, then you have another thing over here. But this
That
is
is
not a
fine
support
because
now.
that is under the range of the clean area. It's within that. Your support is here. Once you break that area, that's fine.
Yeah.
And go back to that. So yeah, 1 o'clock, no volume, no structure. We just have to wait at this point.
So we wait, it close around here. Then
I would like to see a type A sell. ideally a type A cell, and
Type A
then
cell, what if this is a overextended candle and it break until here,
okay, so if
and then
this
go back
current
up and then
candle
come back
breaks
down?
all the way to the downside, and then the
Yeah.
next closes bullish, and then we break, that is a type C cell,
Type C cell
right?
lah. Okay.
So if this candle doesn't break through, and then the next candle breaks down, then that is a type A cell.
Oh, but okay, still we going on the third candle, right?
Yeah, either way, we need a candle to close below
Okay.
this because remember it's a Monday. I need confirmation. I'm not going to
Okay.
jump into any
So
trades immediately.
third candle is, that means if it's somewhere around here, our
It
confirmation
can be
candle breaks.
it can either be a third candle or even a fourth candle. It doesn't really matter as long as
Ah,
we have a confirmation where a single
yeah,
candle is closing below the support.
closing below lah.
Yep,
Yeah,
then
yeah,
that is
yeah.
good enough.
Then we go on the execution candle lah.
Correct.
Yeah. I mean, I
So
will
just
agree
keep an
on
eye
that
on the
one.
closure, nothing else. That's the only thing. So now we just have to wait. By the way, I'm not
But
well, so excuse my sneezing and coughing.
it's okay lah, brother. I think here also looks, I mean, I wouldn't say super clean, but
Yeah, with volume we should be able to go, but yeah, it depends.
I can put here lah, I can put up here.
Go to your hourly, bro. Hourly time frame. Yeah,
Yeah,
your
hourly was
50.
looking more towards a buy just now. Then it was
Yeah.
going up by that.
But the
That's why I
problem
want.
with that is, yes, your 15 looks clean above that, but look at this. It's all
Yeah,
messiness here.
yeah. Yeah, the next trades will have to be really careful because we
Yeah,
are just under 1%.
there is no impulse above your
Yeah,
resistance.
yeah, yeah.
Only confirmation entries. Either way, in a buys and sell. Monday especially. So the thing with Monday is that it tends to be a little bit inconsistent, right?
Hmm.
Because it's basically preparing itself to go in the direction for the next 2-3 days, right? So
Um,
usually it tends to go in the opposite direction, which is buys. But the problem with the buys for now is we have a very, very messy structure.
yeah,
So no matter what, we're not going to force a buy. We're just going to go with the higher time frame confluence, which is the daily time frame, which might go back to the downside after creating a top wick and then flip back to the down.
yeah, it's already going down already, to be honest.
And look at this, we are tapping a previous low as well support. So let's just wait and see how we react.
We can monitor the 15 lah,
Right.
but we take it in the 30.
Depends on how we close and when we close.
Understood. Oh shit, this is the wrong account.
Oh yeah, you need to change it to the 50K account. That's all.
It still transfers towards here, the horizontal line.
Yeah, because it's the same chart. Account. So hot outside.
No, it's different. The color here is different compared to just.
Yeah, because it's this is a demo account. The earlier one was a live account, right? That's right. Different servers,
Oh,
different closure timings.
damn. It's a bit off, huh?
A little bit, yes. Not much. Yeah, this is this is gonna be a long session. Not moving at all.
It's okay, lah. If it's 2:30, we don't get it, then we don't
Yeah.
get it. If we come back tomorrow, no issue from my end.
First day of the week. This is why I hate Mondays. Trading on Mondays is horrible.
It's okay, lah. Last week we won on Monday, right?
Yeah, correct.
And also, furthermore, I only got 9 more days, so I have to make this 9 days count.
At least 0.5% for the days. You don't know. You're up point something percent.
No,
Already
I'm down.
down. Is it raining at your place, bro?
Not too sure. I'm in my room.
Alright. I think Kelvin might be joining in later for London Open.
Ooh.
What's your plan B, bro?
Like you said, the plan B will be buy, but then like
Yeah,
we
I
don't
mean,
want to buy.
candle closure wise, what are you looking for setups?
It's tough lah because the most cleanest range is after this. But do you want to really risk it until all the way there? Maybe if there's volume.
It's your plan. It's your
You see, even if we go after you, then there's another one up there.
yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Quite a
I
messy
mean,
way.
no lah, I won't have.
I mean, if you just want to stick with cells for the day, then that's fine.
Yeah, I will stick to self for the day. I don't want to take any risk. I mean, if buy happens, it happens. I'm not going to.
First day of the week. So
I mean, we can take a buy above here.
that is,
Then
yeah,
is the range enough
this,
to cover anything
I
or not?
don't think so.
We need 900 points.
Yeah, but the candle close
Over
like
900
this.
points, right? Then you take above here, then it becomes 500 something points.
Yeah, it's just gonna eat up the whole range. A candle has to close above, next candle break the high again, and then you need to give it another 10 points for that. So it's gonna be
Yeah,
plus minus around
it's
70
tough
to
lah.
80
Let's
pips.
let's just see lah. Let's just see.
Yeah, it's a bit tough.
This was the type D sell I was type T buy I was talking about,
Mm.
like 1, 2, 3, 4. over here because it's broke this one over here. But yeah, let's see if it works out. Man, even if it works out, it's okay.
Yeah, not gonna go in.
Yeah. Too late to go in also already.
And I mean, look at the stop loss. The size of the previous candle is huge.
Yeah. Yeah, that's another one.
It goes, it goes. Give me a minute, bro. I'll go get a cup of water.
Sure, sure.
We'll give it up to 145, bro. If there's no entries, then we can just call it a day, especially on a Monday.
No
So after
problem.
that, after 145, I would like you to, look at the charts every 30 minutes just to see how it progresses. And if you have confirmations, then you can just go in. Maybe at
Tomorrow, is
2,
it?
2:30. Sorry, bro?
Tomorrow, right?
Today and tomorrow.
Today, okay.
Yeah, today and tomorrow. I mean, every day. Once you leave the charts, just watch every 30 minutes.
Okay.
Even if you don't take a trade, just monitor it. Yeah? This would have been a perfect entry if this had a clean range. The
What would have been a perfect entry?
current candle closing above, and then the next candle breaking a high, type A. If you had a clean range on the left, but it's quite messy, so
Yeah,
no
yeah.
trade.
You must see the other side now. But yeah, that's what we were seeing. Maybe it'll just break here and I'll go back down.
Correct. Liquidity sweep.
Somewhere around here. So we would have taken around here,
Yeah.
maybe here, and I'll go until here. But we have a stop loss until here. So what's the point? We need to get back. To get back 1 to 1, we have to go all the way from here to here. From here all the way to somewhere here. It's a bit too much, right? All the way until here
I mean,
to
if
get
the
one to
even
one.
if we have enough pips, I don't like how we have too many top wicks left.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
Yeah. It's like ramming into a traffic full of cars. It's like that.
Too many support and resistance on the left.
Right.
Resistance on the left.
This is an ideal setup. Clean candle.
Yeah, it is perfect down here. In my opinion, I would still like it to break this one down.
Yeah, either way, yes.
Yeah. Let's see now. So this is so is for me. This also is like a weak feel. This is so much longer than this.
I
This
Can we go to your 15? I think that is a support one. Yeah, it is a support on the 15.
on the 15, is
Yeah,
it?
it is a support. So either way, still need this area to be taken.
Mm, but we don't care about this one, is it? I feel like it's safer if we
No, that
go.
is fine. That is our range for us to fill in. That is fine. And slow. Any minutes to go. But so far, do you have any questions on identifying risk or your analysis, anything based on the whatever we learned prior to this?
Not really, lah.
Right. Just the implementations as well, to practice.
For me, my problem has been aggressive risk management when we are losing.
Yeah.
That has been my main problem, lah. I will be.
For that, because that is with your psychology,
Yeah,
that is you controlling yourself to close the
yeah.
trade or not hold the trade longer.
But it's not me holding it. It's like I'm just too slow to click the buttons. You get
Yeah,
what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah. I understand.
Yeah.
So to
It's not
fix
like I'm
that,
waiting for it and stuff like that.
the only way you can fix that is take more trades. That's it.
Yeah, correct.
The more trades you take, the more you will risk manage, and the more you will understand when to get out and when to go. Right, 15 minutes to go.
Hello.
Welcome back, bro. Welcome back, Alvin. It's still shitty, man. Gold is still doing crappy stuff.
Yeah, we're
Mm-hmm.
gonna go already in 15 minutes.
Asian was shit. Free London is also shit. Galvin, J maybe tak confirm kot datang ke tak.
Yeah, you were saying on Sunday.
He wants to get a bus or some shit. You know?
Yeah.
Man, this is terrible. I think I'll be holding on up till London Open. Because Uncle Ambrose will be joining in. So if you guys want to join in, feel free to stay in as well.
Yeah, 3 o'clock, right?
2:45. Go live.
2:40. Okay, we can leave 1:45, go have my lunch, then come back at 2:45.
Yeah,
Why
sure.
not?
Yeah, no trade.
Sorry, bro.
No trade.
Yeah, it's like staring at the wall for paint to try.
Yeah. Okay, see you later.
Bro, join in the misery. Sit and stare
Don't
with us.
want, don't want lah. I did that for an hour just now already
Bro, I've
lah.
been doing it for the past 3 hours, bro.
Oh son.
It's nothing.
Well, at least you didn't lose a trade after waiting like me on Tuesday, right?
Yeah, correct. Didn't jump into any entries, yeah.
But that was me on last Thursday.
Hmm.
Got
Yeah,
so
that's why.
bored, I was like, whatever, lah,
Just
just
for
take
the
a
sake
trade.
of taking a trade.
Oh, my one is different. I just didn't take a trade until 3 o'clock for 2 hours. Then Nick and Uncle Ambrose came. I was like, okay, let's give it 15 minutes. Nick gave some impulse. Then we lost, and I was like, are you kidding me? I waited 2.5 hours for this. Like, this
But
is
we
nonsense.
we
I
managed
wanted to,
properly and we made some
I,
profits, small profits.
yeah, because it went to the profit first, then entry. Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
correct.
That was like, shit, I waited 2 hours. I wanted to leave at 3, and I convinced myself to stay 15 minutes to lose money.
That was bad.
That was bad.
But Uncle still managed to make $40.
Bro, he closed damn early the whole thing.
Yeah, correct.
He was lucky lah.
40
That's
pips.
pure luck. Yeah, that's pure luck. He just saw like 100 ringgit profit, like 10 pips, no, 40 pips.
40 pips, 40
Yeah,
plus.
40 pips
Yeah.
profit. And then he's like, I'm closing it lah. I don't want to see this anymore. And I'm like,
I,
what?
I got, I think, less than half of that, like with the break even as well.
Yeah, you got almost break even because
Yeah.
it went to profit first.
Yeah.
I need to be more aggressive in closing the
Correct.
trade.
The moment you see it not working out, you just
Yeah.
have to be out.
That's the thing. If I see it 100 profit, right, like 100
Mm.
ringgit, because that's about 30%, right,
Yep.
of my 450.
Correct.
So if I see 100 profit, it straight went down to, what is that, -10 around there.
Yeah, get
I
out.
mean, plus 10 also. I have to take it out already.
Yes. At least you make
80%.
Tipu down
something
is
good. $10, $12, the money.
Bro, I would have saved. I would have lost. Wouldn't have lost anything in the last two trades if that
All right, it would
happened.
have been up 1% still.
I would have been still up 1%. Yeah.
And that is why risk management is very, very important. How you manage your trade. You can win 1,000 trades, but then if you lose one bad one, you're gonna blow your whole thing. You don't manage it properly. Abang Niraj had that problem. He used to have this problem of extending his stop loss, right? Example, his stop loss was 1%. He will
Yeah.
have this gut feeling that okay, price might go up and then come back down again. So
He
he will
is
be
tempting with
extending.
fire lah, like
Yeah.
that.
Then he'll be extending and extending. At one point he blew 30% in one trade.
Okay. I don't have that
Yeah,
attitude lah. If
that's
lost,
the biggest mistake you can do. The worst
that
one.
one will. That one, if I lose this, I will accept I lost.
Yeah. I mean, losing 1% is better than 30%, you know?
Bro, come on. 30% one is a bit too much, I think.
Way too much.
How are you going to get back that
Yeah,
30%? You need
you
to
need
win
at
like
least a month or
oh
two.
my 30 more trades. 15 to 30 more trades.
Right? That is if you get 1 to 2% every day in profits.
Yeah.
And look at this. This is the reason why we need to be wise with choosing our support and resistance.
Mm.
Newbies, they
What?
go in for this type of trades, thinking that volume will come in and fill in this area. But we understood that there's stop weeks, there's areas where price might reject, so we stayed up.
Not under 15. Is
Yeah,
it
either
15?
one. Either
Not
one.
30, 30. For 15, this would be the cleaner range. Wait, where? What? No, this thing. Up here.
Above here, yeah.
Cannot, but you look at the side also. Got.
Yeah, it's still, either way, it's still messy.
This is good lah. This is very good.
That is beautiful.
Yeah. A bit bottom here or here. Very good. You can go 145, relax a bit, then come back to 45.
Yeah.
Maybe. Let's see.
I need to sleep for a while.
1 hour sleep. Rather than you're not coming online like
Yeah,
you're
I want to
sick.
sleep for a while, then I go back live at London. So we'll be back at 2:45. I give it another 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe.
Yeah, 145 I will leave.
Yeah. So with this type of volume, like example Asian, there was no volume. Pre-London, there was no volume. Expect a lot of volume to come in for London Open. And if London Open there's no volume as well, then it will be for New York session. 100% for New York session.
Even on Monday?
Yeah, even on a Monday. Because usually what happens is if there's no volume in the Asian and London, it tends to fall back to on New York. Because the candle collects order in the morning and in the afternoon. And also in the evening, and then it disperses all the orders during New York session. Because US session is the most volatile one, right? It has a lot of clients, orders,
Because
everything pumps in.
that's when New York open, right?
Yeah, New York Open. One of the biggest market movers. And also, we are trading with XauUsd. The US dollar opening, that's a major market mover. And we don't know what Trump is going to say tonight. I think this. He posted a picture of him with an alien today. I don't know why.
A picture of him with an alien.
Yeah, Donald Trump did that.
My guy, a bit cuckoo here now.
Yeah, bro, it's getting old, man.
Okay, lah, this is last term, right? 2 more years or something only, right? 3 years. 3 more.
This year, 2 more years, correct? 2 more years to go.
2 more years only, right? Bro can relax now. It's all cool.
I don't think he will running for the next presidency.
Uh, can he run for the next presidency?
If there's enough votes, then yes, 100% still can.
Oh, for third term.
Yeah, can.
My man, lah. Maybe there should be enough votes,
Yep.
lah. Let him just be the president forever.
Where's the
I think
alien?
the last one was Franklin D. Roosevelt, if I'm not mistaken. 1940 to 1945.
Roosevelt.
Yeah, he was the longest one. But no doubt that the the limit is 2 terms, but depends on the voting system. Because they have Democrats, all these things. A lot of things plays a very big role. But there are conspiracies that's going about that Charlie Kirk's wife might be running for presidency.
Who?
Charlie Kirk's wife, I forgot her name.
Oh, Charlie Kirk's wife. Erica Kirk, is it?
Yeah, Erica Kirk. Yeah, she's the one.
Really?
Yeah, I mean it's rumors, but we don't know how far it's true. He has a lot of followers as well because of the Turning Point.
Yes, Turning Point USA. Interesting. All of
Yeah.
this quite interesting.
And if this happens, it will make a huge move in the market. There'll be a lot of volume coming in. It's all because it's basically the same side. Just right wing. But these US leftists are crazy. LGBT stuff and all that.
Oh yeah. Hey, these guys are weird, lah.
The problem is they are
That-
too free. That's the main reason.
Bro, that's the main problem, bro. That's actually the main problem.
They can do
Because
whatever they
the
want.
country is giving them everything,
Right.
and that's the main problem. Bro, if you think if they are in war, right now they're talking about feminism and all that.
Man.
Get out of here, lah.
They're hiding in the house.
So honestly, when I see that, right, it's just damn
It
annoying, lah.
grinds my gears.
Yeah.
It does, man.
Talk about equality and all this.
It brings out something in me.
Hey guys, aku kena dulu lah. Aku tidur.
Bro, we got another 4 minutes, man. Just stay on and then
Yeah.
we head
Don't
off.
want lah. There's nothing happening. Nothing is happening. I want to
Just-
sleep.
So what if it suddenly close until here? Then
Yeah.
it goes here. Then you're gonna regret.
4 minutes, man. Just hold on.
Bro, if that happens, I buy you ice cream lah.
Yeah. We wait until it close here. Then we just need one confirmation. If it doesn't, then we just go. Okay. We put until somewhere here now.
Because
Doesn't
I
seem
think
to-
last week this happened as well. The last 3-4 minutes it just melted down.
Yes. That happened once last
Yeah.
week.
And we wanted to leave as well. The same thing.
That's not the one I lost, right? It was another
No,
day.
that was a very good win. That was a beautiful win.
Oh, it's a good day. Okay. I think you're not gonna be live for a London Open, Nick, if you sleep.
I think I will. 2:45.
Really?
Yeah. I'm used to the schedule, bro. My brain is connected to the markets at this point.
No, I mean like because you're sick, right? So if you sleep, you can wake up with 1 hour time.
Yeah, can.
Respect.
Even on Saturdays, my schedule is exactly like it's a Monday or a Tuesday. I will still be looking at the charts because Bitcoin will be running. So London, I'll just have a quick look. If there's any trade, I will still take a trade.
On Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday Bitcoin you still can execute.
Oh, you still take trades on Saturday?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
There are open positions, but you can't execute on what you call forex programs or brokers. You have to
Mhm.
execute on either Weibo, Momo, all these things on different platforms.
Oh, you are different, lah, brother.
That's how we get the early spike. You know what's gonna happen on Monday. Few minutes to go. One minute to go. There's a lot of killing cases nowadays in Malaysia. I don't know why. Killing each other. That last minute of volume coming in.
I don't think so. Lah.
Yeah, I
Oh,
don't think there
maybe?
will be an entry, but
You don't think there'll be an entry?
no, I don't. Not at least not for this closure. 15 is close. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, terrible, terrible. 15 bro, 15. Yeah, there's no trick.
Hey, the 30 also looks like that. Horrible.
Yeah, everything is messy, bro. We just have to.
Far,
Yeah,
lah.
we covered at 2:45. No trick.
And
Right.
let's go and have lunch first.
Okay, guys. Thanks for joining and peace be with everyone.
This should be boy.
Alright. Kira lu Papa Raja.